The 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre is a true revolution in luxury electric vehicles, marrying the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce with cutting-edge hybrid powertrain technology that offers both breathtaking performance and an astonishingly quiet ride. Imagine a car that exudes opulence from every angle while whispering power through its dual electric motors. In this masterpiece, ultra-luxury meets modern sustainability, creating a driving experience like no other. The Spectre's two-motor system delivers a combined output of 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, ensuring that every press of the accelerator is met with effortless authority, while its near-silent powertrain sets it apart in a world where noise is often a hallmark of high-performance automobiles. This is a car that not only pampers its passengers with a serene environment, but also possesses the dynamism to thrill even the most discerning driving enthusiast. Step into the cabin of the 2025 Spectre, and you are instantly enveloped in an atmosphere of sublime luxury and sophisticated technology. The interior is an embodiment of refined craftsmanship, featuring an abundance of fine materials such as glove-soft leather, exquisite wood trims, and delicate metal accents that create a veritable palace on wheels. Every surface is meticulously finished to create a feeling of tranquility and indulgence. The cabin is designed to provide both comfort and a sense of exclusivity, where every detail is carefully considered to deliver an experience that transcends ordinary luxury. With seating for 4, each occupant is treated to a spacious, lavish environment that allows for both relaxation and engagement with the sophisticated array of modern technology integrated into the vehicle. The exterior of the Spectre is equally impressive, merging the traditional, majestic cues of Rolls-Royce design with modern aerodynamic enhancements. Its bold, sculpted lines and striking proportions make it unmistakable, while subtle updates such as the illuminated Pantheon grille and reworked bumper emphasize its contemporary appeal. The sculpted LED lighting and aggressive stance not only enhance its visual impact, but also improve its aerodynamic efficiency, ensuring that the vehicle cuts effortlessly through the air. The Spectre's design is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation, offering a look that is both timeless and strikingly modern. Every curve and contour has been designed to evoke emotion and command attention, making it clear that this is a car reserved for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Underneath that stunning exterior lies a powertrain that perfectly embodies the marriage of tradition and future technology. While the Spectre is an electric vehicle, it carries the soul of a Rolls-Royce, offering the kind of effortless acceleration that only a high-end hybrid can provide. With a 102 kilowatt-hour battery pack powering its dual-motor setup, this car is engineered to deliver an EPA estimated range of up to 291 miles when fitted with 22-inch wheels, though opting for the larger 23-inch wheels brings the range down slightly to around 266 miles. In real-world testing, even with 23-inch wheels, drivers have experienced an impressive range of about 260 miles on the highway, a testament to its efficiency given the massive performance on offer. And while fuel economy numbers like 74 mpgs combined, 71 mpg city, and 79 mpg highway may seem modest, these figures are remarkable in a segment where opulence and power take precedence over fuel savings. For those who truly appreciate the luxury electric experience, the Spectre proves that environmental consciousness and high-performance driving can coexist harmoniously. The 2025 Spectre isn't just about raw performance and efficiency, it's also designed with a level of personalization and bespoke elegance that is second to none. Rolls-Royce's commitment to customization is evident throughout the Spectre. Buyers can choose from an array of interior materials, from premium leather to the innovative duality twill fabric made from bamboo, ensuring that every detail reflects the owner's unique taste. The cabin comes with a full-width glass panel that seamlessly integrates instruments and infotainment, creating a clean and sophisticated look that never distracts from the overall ambiance. For those who crave an even more individualized experience, Rolls-Royce's customization program allows you to choose unique color palettes, intricate stitching patterns, and even lighting effects that create a starry night effect overhead. Every element of the Spectre's interior is designed to transport you into a realm of pure, unadulterated luxury, a place where even the smallest detail is tailored to perfection. Performance on the road is equally mesmerizing. Despite being a large, majestic coupe, the Spectre handles with the grace and agility of a much smaller car. Advanced technologies such as a rear-wheel steering system work in concert with its adaptive air spring suspension to deliver a ride that is as smooth as it is responsive. When cruising at lower speeds, the cabin is nearly silent. Only when you push it to higher speeds does the sound of the wind begin to gently stir, keeping the experience serene yet invigorating. At our test track, the Spectre managed to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. A performance figure that, while not designed for drag racing, proves that even ultra-luxury vehicles can deliver thrilling acceleration. The carefully tuned suspension, supported by a significant amount of sound-deadening material, ensures that even rough road surfaces are merely a gentle ripple underfoot, allowing you to glide across the pavement with complete comfort. Safety is never overlooked in a vehicle of this caliber. The 2025 Spectre comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies that work silently to ensure your safety. Standard features include automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, and a 360-degree camera system, which together provide an almost unparalleled level of security. These systems are designed to offer peace of mind without detracting from the pure driving pleasure that defines the Spectre. In addition, advanced features such as night vision capability add an extra layer of assurance, particularly when driving in low-light conditions. Rolls-Royce's commitment to safety ensures that every journey in the Spectre is not only luxurious and exciting, but also secure. Despite its stellar performance and luxurious appointments, the Spectre does carry a hefty price tag, starting around $397,750 and climbing with various options. But for the discerning buyer, the cost is a small price to pay for a vehicle that encapsulates the very essence of Rolls-Royce, a blend of tradition, customization, and modern technology that defines the pinnacle of automotive excellence. This is a car for those who demand the best and refuse to settle for anything less than perfection in every aspect of their driving experience. In the grand tradition of Rolls-Royce, the 2025 Spectre offers a lifetime of unparalleled experiences, from its exquisite craftsmanship and innovative technology to its breathtaking performance and quiet sophistication. It is a vehicle that redefines what it means to travel in luxury, ensuring that every moment behind the wheel is filled with joy, elegance, and the thrill of pure power. Whether you're making a grand entrance at an exclusive event or simply enjoying a quiet drive down a scenic route, the Spectre transforms every journey into a celebration of excellence. If you're someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology blended with timeless luxury, who values customization and individuality, and who isn't afraid to embrace a vehicle that is as exclusive as it is powerful, then the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre is the car for you. It's a statement of intent, a beacon of innovation, and a showcase of what is possible when you combine the best of the past with the technology of the future. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre. If you found this video insightful and engaging, please hit that like button, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to latest car reviews for more exclusive, up-to-date content on the world's most luxurious and powerful vehicles. Your support helps us bring you more amazing car reviews and automotive insights. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our latest car reviews channel, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Your support helps us bring you more awesome car reviews and updates.